This is the soft content I needed today. Tzuyu yawning like a tiny bunny. I'm not okay, and I never will be. Wonwoo tapping his mouth while yawning. Too gentle, too pure, no notes. Rosé covering her mouth like a literal princess. She ate and left no crumbs. V yawning with his mouth completely closed. Just look at that face. The delusion that this is even possible. And Felix trying to hide it 4 times and failing every single one. His face said, "Not today." Poker face. Follow more soft idol content.